buying shite so you don't have to. Right guys, in this video I went over to AliExpress, and if you can see that, I bought the cheapest iPhone, iWatch should I say, or whatever they're called, the Apple Watch clones, so you don't have to, and let's see if we got scammed. Now, one of them was 82 pence, 82 freaking pence for a watch, a smartwatch, and the other one set me back £4.41. We also got, to finish off the order, some noise cancelling headphones. Okay, so what we're going to do is going to have a quick look at these products, and then we shall see if we can flip them and make ourselves enough money for a Chinese or something. Anyway, oh my god. Right, okay, so the first ones that came was this one. On the box, it looks absolutely amazing. Now, I got one of these watches from, I think it was Alibaba or somewhere, a couple of years ago. It was about 30 quid, and it was pretty much a one-to-one clone, but I lost it. I don't know where it went, but it was really good. It felt weighty. My daughter's got an original one, and compared to hers, you could hardly tell the difference. Right, anyway, so these ones, you know, they're just knocking them out non-stop, I think, in China. They took about 7 or 8 days to come. I didn't even think they were going to turn up, but they did. 98 pence or whatever it was, 80p for a frigging watch. So this was the 89p one. And in the box, we got a little wireless charger that works. And we also got the watch. It came with a rubber strap. I mean, you could probably sell the strap. I don't know, but I didn't expect it to work. And lo and behold, oh, what's going on now? I've just charged this shitty thing up. It was working. What the hell is going on? Oh, there we go. The Hiwa High Watch. There we go. It's on. It's on and it works. Look at that. I mean, if you want to have your kid get beaten up at school or anything like that, just give them that to wear, and they can get, you know, they're going to be ripped all day long, but it works, and it was 98p for a watch. Mad. Absolute mad. Everything works on it. We've got all the sports apps, blah, blah, blah. Even the back of it's got some flashing LEDs. They don't look like they're going to do anything. Definitely not. But we've got some LEDs on the back that, oh, what the hell. 98 pence. Anyway, so you've probably got an app for it as well. You can download and get these faces on. But, I mean, for 98p, 89p, whatever it was it ripped off? Let's say no. It's a watch that works. There we go. Let me see what else we've got. I'm sure the display was like an Apple one. Anyway, and we've got all the different. It's pretty good. 98 pence. Okay, that's watch number one. Number two came a little bit better presented. This one is the T10 Ultra 2 with a 2.19 inch screen. The screen again. Oh, we've got a bit better. What the hell? We've got a better manual in this one. All in Chinese. Maybe get some Chinglish in there as well. Don't know, but oh, there we go. We got the English version. Here's what it is. What do you expect for £4? Again, wireless charger and the watch itself. This one, again, it's got the screens there. Everything works. So what else can you... Let's go for style one. Here's what it is. It's a watch. The back of it, again, it doesn't look like it's going to do anything, actually. Let's get the heart meter on. Oh, we've got some little LEDs going. £4 for a watch. Now, I'm not going to keep them. You know, they look good, I suppose. Let's see what they look like on your hand. It looks all right on. There we go. We've got it on. Wow. You all like my watch? Now, I'm not going to peel the screens off because we are going to see if we can flip these on. And there's the other one. They're both about the same. I'm going to flip these on eBay and make enough money to... Oh my God, is that broke already? What's going on here? Now, that is not looking good. It's so cheap. Absolutely, you know, they're so cheap. They don't even... They've got a bit of weight in them, but the one I had, it was a lot better than that. And it had, you know, the proper green LED lasers built in the back. Aluminium, yeah, it's tighter. Anyway, is what it is. So we've got, so far, and the last thing we bought. Now, to be fair, I have tried these, and they do sound okay. We've got some wireless earbuds, and they're charging them at the moment. We've got a little display on the front there, as you can see. USB ports on the bottom, and we also got some, you know, different sized ear attachments. Look at those glowing in your ear. They're going to look amazing, but they do work. And these are like £3. How do they do it? How can they make them for £3 and send them to England on a plane? You know, I can't even get a ticket to friggin' Spain for less than £20, but you can get these on a plane for £4 delivered, shipped to your door. It's mad. Anyway, these ones are the M25 gamer headset. Transmission distance 10 miles, or it should be 10 meters. Charging time 2 hours. Music play 5 hours in the earbud. It is what it is. You know, if you want your kid to get a little pair of, you know, wireless buds in a little, you know, futuristic case that, you know they're going to lose them, so just buy a load of them. And then they lose them, give them another set. They lose them, give them another set. So we've got less than a £10 worth of gadgets, and let's see if we can make some money. I think we can get £30 back for the £10 outlay, which is 200% profit. Okay, video 2 will be available soon, and I will give you the breakdown of what we made. Okay guys, see you in the next one. Just a fun video, buying shite so you don't have to.